Good morning, dear students. As you know, we are going through our chapter number 11, and by now we have covered force and pressure also. In force, we have studied what is force, how it comes into existence due to the interaction between the two objects. Then, what are the effects? What effects it can cause? And types of forces: contact forces, non-contact forces, muscular force and frictional force is the contact force, magnetic, electrostatic, and magnetic. Fifth one is that one, gravitational. Yes. Magnetic, electrostatic and gravitational force are the non-contact forces. There is no physical contact. We have studied regarding tug of war, other things and all that. Then we have gone to the pressure. Pressure is nothing but a force is acting on an object. It exerts a pressure. And how much quantum of pressure is that depends upon the area on which the force is being exerted on that object. So pressure is P is equal to force divided by area. And this pressure is measured in SI unit of the pressure is Newton per meter square. It is also known as the Pascal and written as P capital and A small. PA is equal to 1 and that means Newton divided by meter per meter square. Up to here we have all studied. Okay. Then we have studied also this also. The common examples of the pressure of this formula. Why? What are the consequences of lesser the area and higher the area on which the pressure is being, force is being exerted and pressure is being created? Why the step of the school bag is bigger, wider in size? Why it is easy to balance the things with having broader base as compared to the lesser base? आपने देखा होगा बच्चों, लेडीज जब पेंसिल हील डाल के सैंडल डाल के चलती हैं, उनको अपने आप को they cannot walk on the rough surface. Reason being they cannot balance themselves properly. और यही अगर आपने स्पोर्ट शूज डाले हुए हैं, पत्थर है, कंकर है, आप बड़े आराम से उस पर दौड़ भी लोगे. बट विद पेंसिल हील फॉर द लेडीज इट इज नॉट इजी टू इवन वॉक ऑन स्टोन्स, पेबल्स. Then we have seen why the tires of that you can say truck or a bus, tractor, they are wider. Why the ladies while bringing water from a far away they are putting some, एक वो रिंग सा होता है, किन्नू बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं उसको. Why the porter is putting that gamcha on his head, like that. All simple examples which are the daily observations we have seen, we have gone through. Again we have gone through why the blunt edge of the knife does not cut sharply as compared to the thinner edge. Again we have taken the example of you are on a mattress bedroom. When you are standing, the mattress is pushed downwards to a greater depth as compared to when you are lying or sleeping. Your weight is same, but when you are sleeping, your weight has been diverted to a larger area. But when you are standing, the whole of your body weight is on your legs, 2 legs on. That is why it is pushing the cushion or the mattress more as compared to the position or the situation when you are sleeping. Now coming to the pressure exerted by liquids. Yes, liquids do exert pressure. Alcohol is a liquid, petrol is a liquid, diesel is a liquid, water is a liquid, and so many other liquids. Mercury is also in a liquid form, though it is a metal. All these, they are exerting pressure. But they are exerting pressure due to their weight. And they are exerting pressure due to their weight on the base of the container or the walls of the container in which they are lying. Suppose we are having water in the beaker. Okay? If we are having water in the beaker, this water, due to its weight, will be exerting pressure at the base and the side walls. Okay? Yes. Now coming to the point. Here, formula is same. Pressure is equal to the force per unit area. Okay, here what is force? Force is the what? Weight of the liquid in the container. And area is area of the base. Water is more, area is less. What will happen with this? If the area is less, depth or height of the water in the container, depth will be more. So here, higher the depth or greatest depth, more pressure. Lesser depth, less pressure. So, yes, pressure exerted by liquids, all liquids, oil, water, alcohol, etc., they exert pressure. All liquids have weight. It pushes the base, side of container, base, side of container, and it is exerting pressure. Pressure is what? Force over area. Here, force is the weight and area is the area of base. Understood? Formula is same. The connotation of word changes a bit. Okay? Pressure exerted by the liquid is because of its weight, and this weight exerts pressure on the base and the side walls of the container. And here, force means weight of the water, area means area of the base, and here greater the depth, that means यहां नहीं है कुछ भी लिक्विड, या लिक्विड यहां तक है, यहां लिक्विड यहां तक है, pressure will be more. यहां लिक्विड यहां तक है, यहां लिक्विड यहां तक है, यहां लिक्विड यहां तक है, depth increases, height of the column increases. Here the pressure is more, pressure is less, almost nil pressure. और छोटी छोटी एक्टिविटीज है, हम करके देखेंगे. सॉरी बच्चों, मैंने वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स बना लिए थे, बट I wanted to store the water first. I forgot to store before starting this lecture. So what to do? Okay, just wait for a while. Let me fill these beakers. Okay. What I am doing is I am just going to have water in the beaker. It will take 1 minute, half a minute, no problem. Just try to go through what is there pick which I will be sending. Okay. So, sorry बच्चों, ये मेरे को पहले करके रखना चाहिए था. Really sorry for that. But just I am coming. Just coming within 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. That's all. Yes. I already filled water, whatsoever I have prepared with me. Okay, chaliye. Now, with small activity, we want to prove what? Higher the depth, higher is the pressure. Okay, I am having this bottle with me. It is filled with water. Okay. I will put more water, some more water in it. Okay. Now, I have made 3 holes. One hole is here, second hole is here, third hole is here. The hole A, B, C, which are on the board. Now, if the water is up to the top, what is the depth as compared with the hole A? As compared with the hole A and hole B and hole C, depth of the water at the hole C is quite higher as compared to B and A, and depth at the hole B is comparatively less than C but more than A. And depth of water level is absolutely less than B and C. That means it is quite lesser one. Now what I am going to do, I have put a tape on the holes. I am going to remove the tape all of a sudden. What will happen? Water will start flowing, and we have to observe water from which hole is going at a more space as compared with the bottom. Okay, see. Yes. Stop. A1 has stopped. B and C are still working. But B, water is falling nearer to the bottom as compared to the C. Our activity is over. Here, we have clearly observed, bachcho. C, water is still coming. B, when the water is no, it will not come out. कहने का मतलब क्या है बच्चों? Here one first hole, second hole, third hole. Partitions were there in the bottle. Here water level was more. Here water level was less than this point but more than this point. जब हमने इस टेप को अलग किया इस बोतल से, what has transpired, what we have observed, जो वाटर था, जो उसका जेट बन रहा था, वो इस बॉटम के ए पॉइंट से नजदीक गिर रहा था, बी पॉइंट से उससे ज्यादा और सी नीचे वाले पॉइंट से सबसे ज्यादा. So what this activity is proving? Greater the depth, more pressure. Greater the depth, more the. यह क्या है बच्चों? Increasing depth है ये. Same way. From here, depth is increasing. At point A, depth of the water was less. At point B, depth of the water was more than A but less than C. And at C, the depth of the water was comparatively more than A and B. That is why the jet of C has fallen at a far off place as compared to A and B, and jet of the B has fallen at a comparatively lesser area as compared to C, but it has gone beyond the jet of A. It has gone beyond the jet of the air. Jet of the point A is just nearer to the base of the bottom. So this activity has proved that with the increasing depth, the pressure increases. The pressure increases of a liquid. Now, coming to the second activity. Second activity is, yes, I'm having a jar with me. I'm having a jar with me. If I'm putting water in it, see, balloon starts inflating. I'm putting more water. Okay, let me bring some more water from the tap. Just wait. Yes. Yes, see. It is exerting more pressure on the balloon. You can have what? A burst balloon होता है ना उसका, बच्चे उसकी जो रबर है, you can stretch in and put it tight properly. Start pouring water in this jar. आपके पास एक प्लास्टिक की पाइप भी है, ट्रांसपेरेंट प्लास्टिक की पाइप है. You can do that this activity at home also. अब क्या है बच्चों? I am putting back some of the water in this beaker and then in this beaker also. See, the inflated balloon has decreased in size. You will see now slowly the size of the balloon increases with the increase in the depth of the water or the height of the water in the jar, which shows that it is exerting higher and higher and higher pressure. Okay. Same way, this activity is showing that liquid is exerting pressure at the bottom. At the bottom. चलिए. Now, if you are having a jar and you are having this activity is this. What? Rubber sheet bulges more at greater depth. Here we have used the balloon. Same activity. If you want to prove that liquid exert pressure on the side walls also. On the side walls also हम activity करेंगे, वो भी उससे prove होगी. अब क्या बच्चों, ये जो हमने पहले एक्टिविटी की थी उससे भी तो प्रूव होता है कि साइड वॉल्स में प्रेशर एक्सर्ट होता है. अगर बच्चों साइड वॉल्स में प्रेशर एक्सर्ट नहीं होता तो इसमें से पानी कैसे निकलता? हाउ द वाटर इज कमिंग आउट? अगर वो बॉटम पे एक्सर्ट करता है, साइड में एक्सर्ट नहीं करता, तो पानी गश आउट जेट कैसे बनता? होल नंबर सी, बी एंड ए. ओके, सो some other activity also you can do. You take some jar like this, which is having a what? One opening, tube opening on one side. Tie this what? Rubber sheet broke inflate to the burst balloon rubber sheet or any rubber sheet, stretched rubber sheet. When there is very less water, there is no bulging and all that. You put some water, it bulges out a bit, and you put more water, that means you have increased the height, depth of the water column in the jar. This rubber sheet bulges out. Liquid pressure increases with the increase in depth. जैसे जैसे डेप्थ बढ़ेगी, लिक्विड का प्रेशर इंक्रीज होगा. सेम वे एक और छोटी एक्टिविटी है, वी कैन डू दैट आल्सो. आई एम हैविंग ए बॉटल, बट इन दिस एक्टिविटी यू कैन डू एट होम आल्सो. एनी कॉक बॉटल ऑफ 1/2 liter, 1 liter, or any other bottle of plastic, क्या करिए बच्चों? With care, you do this activity under the care of your mom and dad or elder brother or sister. क्या बच्चों आपने क्या करना है? आपके पास कोई भी स्क्रू ड्राइवर है या कोई ऐसी चीज है जिसके पीछे प्लास्टिक या लकड़ी का कोई हैंडल लगा हुआ है, हीट दैट स्क्रू ड्राइवर और दैट वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कुछ पोर्क है, कुछ ऐसी चीज है. When it is bit hot, make a hole here on one side and make a hole here on the other side. The only thing is that you have to take care that from bottom height of the first hole and the second hole is same. And holes are on the this side and this side. Holes are on the opposite side at the same height. At the same height. ठीक है? Again, fill it with water. I've already tied that holes. We will open and we will see what happens. That means this activity will not only prove that liquid exert pressure on the side walls, it will also prove, this activity will also prove that at same height or at the same depth, same pressure is exerted. क्या होगा बच्चों? We will observe when we will remove this tape, इधर भी same distance में. I have tried my level best to have these holes at the equal depth and equal size. But since I have done it manually, technically नहीं है इतना, there might be slight deviation, but it will prove. क्या होगा बच्चों? इससे जो जेट बनेंगे, जेट जो पानी गिरेगा इन जेट के साथ, it will be at the, यहां से जो जेट बन के इधर जाएगा, इधर वाला इधर जाएगा, they will be falling at the same equidistance. They will be falling at the equidistance. What is going to prove? What it is going to prove? That at same depth, same pressure is exerted on the walls of the container. Wall of the container. Okay. Let me see. I am removing this tape. Slowly. Yes. Now you have to observe. See. Same almost circular path बन रहा है. Water is falling from both the jets at the same distance. Thank you. In the lab, the walking has become a bit difficult for me. Anyhow, we will manage another 5 minutes, okay? And we will sum up. क्योंकि होना ऐसा ना हो कि मैं गिर जाऊं और नेक्स्ट लेक्चर आपका नहीं बन पाए मेरे से. ठीक है? चलिए. So we have done 2-3 activities and we have tried to prove that higher the depth of the water column, higher will be the pressure. And pressure is being exerted on the side walls of the container also. And also we have tried to prove that at the same depth, at the same height of water, same pressure is exerted on the side walls of the what? Container. Now next is what? Pressure exerted by gases. हाँ, एक और बात मैंने आपको जो बतानी थी. Yes, I have written also. Where? Yes, here I have written. The wall of the dam is made thicker at the bottom than at the top so as to tolerate very high pressure at bottom sides. आपने कभी बच्चों डैम देखा है? बाखरा नंगल डैम, कोई भी डैम, एनी डैम यू इफ यू हैपन टू विजिट, आप देखेंगे बच्चों क्या होता है, जो उसकी जो क्या कहते हैं वाल बनी होती है डैम की, जो बांध बना होता है बच्चों, बांध जो बना होता है ना, वो नीचे इस तरह से जाता है बच्चों, ऐसे। कहने का मतलब क्या है, टॉप पे जो उसकी जो चौड़ाई होती है, विड्थ होती है, जो कंक्रीट बनी हुई है, वो कम है एज कंपेयर टू द बॉटम। Why? Water is filling in the reservoir. It is gaining height. Pressure here is less, bit more. But here, the pressure is the greatest. If the wall of the dam is not thick at this point, the pressure of the water reservoir may blow away, बहा कर ले जाएगा इस मिट्टी को, इस सड़क को, इस जो भी उन्होंने बड़ा सा बांध बना रखा है। Everything will be over. So, taking into the consideration, reservoir कितना बड़ा होगा, उसमें कितने क्यूबिक मीटर पानी आएगा, क्यूसिक, अब क्यूबिक तो छोटा रह जाएगा, क्यूसिक और बिगर स्केल है वो, कितने क्यूसिक पानी आएगा, उसका कितना प्रेशर होगा, whether this wall is going to withstand that pressure or not, उसको सामने रख के डैम की नीचे की चौड़ाई बनाई जाती है। बच्चों, इफ यू हैपन टू विजिट बाखड़ा डैम, उसका जो टॉप पे है, द टॉप रॉड, जो टॉप वाला उसका विड्थ है बच्चों, दैट इज अराउंड आई थिंक 55 फीट और मोर, 55 फीट से भी ज्यादा है। तो आप ये समझ लीजिए, अगर टॉप पे वो इतना है तो बॉटम पे कितना होगा। Simple, so simple. Now, coming to the pressure exerted by the gases. Liquid is over. Last topic, last lesson. अब क्या है बच्चों? Pressure exerted by the gases. There are so many gases. Helium, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. All are gases. And gases are what? किससे बनी होती हैं? They are made up of molecules. They are made up of molecules. अब क्या है बच्चों? Gases are also. अब हम क्या करते हैं? What we say? Whether this beaker is empty or it is full. It is full. Full of air. Full of air. Air is there inside. 6th में हमने एक्टिविटी की है. This bottle is also again, it is not empty. हम कह देते हैं empty है, but it is not empty. It is full of air. That means air inside this container, this bottle. इसके जो molecules हैं, they are striking against the wall of this container. They are striking against each other also. तो अब आ गए हम पॉइंट. The pressure exerted by a gas is due to the continuous striking or the bombardment of the molecules on the walls of the container. तो गैसेस का प्रेशर क्या है बच्चों? Continuous striking or the bombardment में टकराना of the molecules of that particular gas on the sides or the walls of the container. That is the pressure. अब क्या होगा बच्चों? Suppose we are having gas in this bottle. It is having some mass also. If we decrease the volume, Same molecules, same number of molecules. Lesser area, lesser the volume of the container, more striking, pressure will automatically increase. वही बात है. Lesser the area, higher the pressure. Here, lesser the volume, higher the pressure. Same things will apply. Same formula will apply. Okay. So now if we say that it is nothing but the continuous striking of the molecules of the gas against the walls of the container, with one simple example I can explain you. आप एक बैलून लीजिए. Okay, I am taking the same balloon which I have used to demonstrate that the pressure exerted by the liquid at the bottom. What I am doing now? What I have done? क्या किया है मैंने? Again observe. There is no air in it. What I am doing? I am blowing air through my mouth inside this what? As I am applying more pressure through my mouth, I am putting more air. More air means what these molecules of the air will do on the walls of the balloon. They will exert a pressure, and due to the result of that pressure, this balloon has inflated. This balloon has inflated. The moment I open the air goes out, it comes back to the original position. It comes back to the original position. So, whatsoever we will be discussing as regard pressure, we will be discussing taking into consideration air. There are so many gases in the air, but we will be taking air as a gas. We will be taking air as a gas. And all our discussion will be centered on this particular point, that air exerts pressure. And again we will discuss the atmospheric pressure. How atmospheric pressure is being experienced in our day-to-day life. जैसे हमारा था वो strap of the school bag, tire of the cycle or tire of the truck, blunt edge and knife and all that. All these things. Same silly observations we will be discussing in our next lesson, and we will be completing this chapter. सॉरी बच्चों, हो सकता है कि लेसन थोड़ा छोटा हो गया, नीचे बेस जो है स्लिपरी है, मेरे को गिरने का डर है. थैंक यू. एंजॉय योर स्टडी. थैंक यू.